particular video. And if you have been mining this particular project with me called X.me project, I have a particular good news for you in this particular video. That means if you're able to watch to the end, then you'll be able to decide what you need to do about this particular project, because actually I can say I'm not really understanding them, but I'll be explaining everything to the best of my knowledge about particular project. The last time they actually said that their listening will be coming up at late September, and a lot of people have actually been ranting in their Telegram community about 3 days ago that when we withdrawal be coming up. Let me tap on my wallet there and show you something. That when will withdrawal be coming up? They say they are coming in yesterday when they actually brought out some notification which I'll be sharing with you. You could see that now that with my BTC, I have 1.31 Satoshi, which actually worth 1.5 dollars in BTC, and this is their token, which is X. I have about 745, which worth around $9. Although I've not been really be active because with this particular project, I know it's actually time consuming. So let me go back to this particular information that they shared on their Telegram. Let me go and show you on their Telegram platform. So before we go to the particular aspect of how to be able to withdraw, let me share you this particular information they actually posted 1st of October, which will be taking place on the 2nd, so that you will not be left out. Look at it now. They say XME announcement, XME token conversion, new token to launch within the next 6 months. What they are actually telling us here is that another new token will actually be listed called XME, and something will be happening with that particular one, which is the former XME that we are having. Let's quickly read because it's a long post. It said we are thrilled to announce that XME platform recently secured a 30 million in strategic funding led by Tido Capital with participation from Genesis Capital, like that. They say, let me go to, he said this significant investment will primarily support the XME Foundation launching as an exciting new platform. My question is that why launching another new token when you have a token in the previous one? Why the rush? Why launching? Why not use the 30 million investment funding and use to pay those that have been diligent, be true to your words by listing this particular token since you have backing and some investment fund? So let's go. He said, following investors' recommendation and strategy adjustment, the XME Foundation has decided to initiate the conversion of existing XME token. That means the existing XME token, all XME token will be converted into XME points. That's why I say you need to watch particular video today. If you want to join my WhatsApp community group, I'll be dropping the link in the description of the particular video. And don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so I get to enter upload any other new video. So let's continue. This XME point will serve as the sole credential for redeeming the upcoming token. That means for us to be able to claim the new token that will be launched, we need to have this XME point, which is anticipated to be listed in a centralized exchange within 6 months. That means this new token that will be NA will get listed in the next month. Say the platform will open withdrawal for now. This is what we'll be able to withdraw now. That means for those that got some bonuses on USDT, DOG, and BTC on October 2nd, which is tomorrow now. So let's still move on. You say, why is the XME Foundation issuing a new token? Look at their reason now. You say renowned VC backing, strong control. Due to the new VC that they are having, giving them investment, I think maybe from the VC they are the one deciding, telling them to create another new token. And they say number two, say enhance deflationary model, higher token value. Say the new economic model is designed with a strengthened deflationary mechanism, making the token scarcer and thereby increasing benefit for holders. My question is that does all this thing actually worth it? This is just like creating a season 2 of a particular token. If they have actually get listed and opening another season 2, it will have been much better than all this. Now, you see official buyback program. This is just what I see that I love about this. It's official buyback. Reinforce confidence. A long time buyback program will be launched. But buyback, which always increase the price of a particular token. But the question is that will they be true to their words with this current thing that they actually did by not actually getting their token listed by September, which currently now we are now in October now. So it's a program will be launched to demonstrate the team unwavering commitment, fostering token price growth, and creating a protectory value month for the holders. It's ecosystem conversion. Now, let's come down. This is the place I am now. So, conversion of XME token into XME point. So, from tomorrow, you will see that your XME token will be converted to into XME point by tomorrow, which is October 2nd. I don't know the time which you are actually watching this particular video. SME platform will roll out an updated version that facilitates the conversion of existing XME token into XME point, aligning the foundation strategic roadmap. Conversion ratio to generously reward our loyal users. The foundation has established a fixed conversion, and the conversion rate will be 1 XME token to 50 XME point. Let's see what the XMA point will be used for. Now, this is what the XMA point will be used for. Number one is say redeemable for the new token. That means we'll be needing this XMA point for us to be able to redeem the new token that will be launched. XMA point can be directly exchanged for the new token issued by the XMA Foundation. Early participants will also receive additional airdrop rewards. So let's wait for that. Maybe we will be converting all of my XME point that will be given to XME token, which is 1:50. So in platform marketplace, an exclusive X point reward store will be introduced, allowing for direct redemption of goods and services. That means with SMA point, we'll be able to use it to redeem. I think they will be creating a marketplace where we'll be able to use our XMA point to buy things in the marketplace. So, and it says diverse application scenario. XMA point can be utilized for various purposes, including but not limited to live streaming, tipping, be able to tip others, reward redemption, community voting, content unlocking. That means that some content will be unable to read, just like the way some particular blog platform do that you have to pay for it to be able to redeem some particular post. I think on their platform there, people can actually post and do a lot of things. I think from here, maybe some posts you'll be unable to read it except you're able to lock it with some XMA point, which will be also be adding to a win-win to those people that actually lock their posts actually worth it. So people will be able to send them. So this is now if you have some dog and BTC. This is what they are telling us to do, that to create to go to this particular platform and create this particular exchange. They say they have actually partnered with them called Vox Exchange. So we'll be able to send our dog and our BTC for them. We'll be able to send this free of charge. And I think a trading period is actually open. Look at it here. It's exclusive for XME user. We are offering a massive 2 million USD prize pool. So the event starts in October 2nd till October 16th. I think this is based on the number of trade you actually carried out. So if you come to this my particular platform, comes to wallet here, you see I do not have dog, but I have BTC. So I'll be able to send my BTC to this particular specific exchange that they have actually choose for us, and I will be able to send the BTC down to that place free of charge. So this is what I have for you about the X.MA platform. If this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, click on the notification so you get notified anytime we upload any other video like this. Thank you and bye bye for now.